My name is Mark. I'm a certified public accountant in Fort Wayne, Indiana. I co-founded a company called Tax Managed Solutions, and what we do is we help people with tax problems. My business partner and I come to work every day and we help people with all kinds of problems. If you have a tax problem, odds are it's a symptom of another problem, okay? Most people don't choose to not pay their taxes. Things get in the way. Things happen. There's no money in the check register. We can't turn our inventory. The employees, we are too much. We didn't get paid by a vendor. There are many reasons why you owe taxes, and there are many reasons why tax problems occur. But in my experience, one of the main reasons is the client doesn't have a good system of accounting. And at its most basic, accounting should account for revenues of a company, expenses, assets, and liabilities. And essentially what that is called is a trial balance, and every company should maintain a general ledger and a trial balance. And that's what accounting is. Accounting it's a method of management making decisions and a method of management setting goals and budgets and planning and things like that. It's a way that you manage your company. Okay, so that's kind of the concept of accounting. There are several different methods of accounting. You could be a full accrual GAAP, generally accepted accounting principle type of accounting. You could be cash basis accounting, tax basis. There are many different types of accounting and many different methods, and those reasons are dependent upon the kind of business that you're in. And accountants have become flexible, and we account for different businesses differently. If you're a large contractor and you're building 100 miles of road, you're going to account for your business transactions differently than if you're a self-employed electrician. So the reason that you're going to account for things differently is because of your different types of businesses, okay? The easiest to understand the difference between is GAAP and cash. Cash basis accounting, you recognize revenue when the money comes in, and you pay out expenses when the money goes out, okay? So that's how you account for your revenues and expenses. It's when the money goes in the bank account and when the money goes out of the bank account. Accrual, however, on accrual accounting, you would account for revenue when the invoice goes out, and you would account for an expense when the bill comes in. Not when you get paid or when you pay your bill, but rather when the invoice goes out and the bill comes into you. Your accounting system, it's probably going to encompass some sort of software application, either QuickBooks, Peachtree, maybe you have a larger firm, Mass 90, or even a custom accounting package. But odds are your accounting system is going to be a paper-based filing system and a computer-based software package. So understand that. I would tell you that the main function of accounting is to support management's decisions. That's the way Enron did it. No, that's not what accounting does. What accounting does is accounting accounts for transactions, revenues, expenses, cash, liabilities, and assets. And it reports to management, and it allows management to make decisions. Management can make decisions about whether a product line is profitable or not, whether or not the main business is profitable. So the main function of accounting is to support management and give management the tools and knowledge that it needs to run the business. Budgets, planning, they all require accounting. If you want to understand whether or not you are profitable, you're going to need accounting. Many functions of management are affected by the accounting system and how well you maintain your books and records. At a minimum, if you are a small business, at a minimum, your accounting system should be able to present to the Internal Revenue Service and the various taxing agencies the results of your operations. Whether you be on cash or an accrual method of accounting, you should be able to account for your assets, your liabilities, your revenues, and your expenses. If you find that accounting is just absolutely not your cup of tea, you should hire a qualified certified public accountant and a qualified certified public accounting firm to help you with your accounting needs. We help many clients all over the country in the days of the internet and the computer age. I can help you if you're in Las Vegas or if you're right around the corner in Fort Wayne, Indiana. With that software package, everything's electronic. So we help companies and clients all over the country. and what we talk about is we square away their accounting system, make sure their paper files match with their software. So if you need help in your accounting, it would be great to talk to you about your what you need help with and how we can help. Our toll-free number is 877-489-8999. If you're here locally in Fort Wayne, Indiana, our phone number is 260-489-0818. So give us a call if you need any help. Thank you.